Hey guys, welcome back to TechNess Arena, your go-to channel for all things tech. So, are you ready for the fifth part of our Excel series? In this video also, I'll discuss 5 new questions with you. In our previous parts, we have covered 20 questions. So let's start with our 21st question in today's video. Question number 21. How do you create a drop-down list in Excel? Creating drop-down lists provides users with predefined options for data entry, improving consistency and accuracy. Okay, select the right option from the following 4. Option A. Use the data validation feature from the Data tab on the ribbon. Option B. Type the options directly into the cell and separate them with commas. Option C. Use the drop-down function. And option D. Insert a combo box control from the Developer tab. So, the correct answer is option A. Use the data validation feature from the Data tab on the ribbon. After selecting the cell or cells where you want the drop-down list, go to the Data tab, click on Data Validation, choose List as the validation criteria, and then enter the list of options separated by commas or specify a range of cells containing the options. Question number 22. How would you insert the current date and time into a cell in Excel? Inserting the current date and time is often needed for tracking when data was entered or updated. Okay, choose the right one from the following 4. Option A. Type today into the cell. Option B. Type now into the cell. Option C. Use the insert date and time option from the insert menu. And option D. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus D. So the right answer is option B. You need to type now into the cell. This function returns the current date and time, including both the date and the time down to the second. If you only need the current date without the time, you can use the today function instead. Question number 23. What is the purpose of conditional formatting in Excel? Understanding conditional formatting helps in visually highlighting data based on specific conditions. Fine, choose the right one. Option A. To perform calculations based on specific conditions. Option B. To format cells based on specific criteria or rules. Option C. To filter data based on specific conditions. And option D. To create charts and graphs from data. So the right answer is option B. To format cells based on specific criteria or rules. It allows you to apply formatting such as colors, icons, or data bars to cells that meet certain conditions, making it easier to identify trends, outliers, or important data points within a dataset. Question number 24. How would you transpose data in Excel? Transposing data is a useful operation for reorienting rows as columns or vice versa. Okay, select the correct option from the following 4. Option A. Right-click on the data range, choose Transpose from the context menu. Option B. Use the Transpose function. Option C. Press Ctrl plus T. And option D. Copy and paste the data, then use the Transpose option from the Paste Special menu. So the correct answer is option D. Copy and paste the data, then use Transpose option from the Paste Special menu. For more in detail, to transpose data in Excel, you can copy the data range you want to transpose. Then right-click on the destination where you want to paste the transpose data, choose Paste Special from the context menu, and select the Transpose option. This action will reorient the copied rows as columns or columns as rows, effectively transposing the data. Alternatively, you can use the transpose function in a new range to transpose data, but this requires more manual setup. Question number 25. What does the concatenate function do in Excel? Here are the 4 options for you. Just select the correct one. Option A. Calculates the sum of values in a range of cells. Option B. Counts the number of cells in a range that meet specific criteria. Option C. Combines text from multiple cells into one cell. And option D. Returns the current date and time. So the correct answer is option C. Combines text from multiple cells into one cell. The concatenate function takes multiple arguments, each representing the text or cell reference to be combined. For example, concatenate of A1 space and B1 would combine the text from cells A1 and B1 separated by a space. We can separate them into anything we want. This function is useful for creating custom text strings or labels. That was all for today. We'll move to next questions in the next video.
If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Techness Arena for more informative insights. And I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.